Welcome back. Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to replace the MagnaLatch on my gate. Some Einstein, came across here with a hedge trimmer, cut the top of my gate lock off, so it's destroyed. I bought a new one on Amazon. I'll leave a link, but the connecting pieces are different, so the design is slightly different but similar. So we'll be able to take the parts of this off that need to be replace those, and restore this MagnaLock. It's an interesting lock system. So this part is a magnet, it fits on the gate, and this part is the locking mechanism, and when it comes in contact it drops down and locks because a magnet attracts it and you can't get it off. So anyway, very interesting mechanism. So let's take a look at what we've got. The key element is actually this screw. This screw keeps the whole locking mechanism in place. These other screws below it and to the side keep the latch or the connectors together. So we're going to take this one screw out, remove this, and then see what we've got. Don't lose this screw. Well, we got another one in the new kit. So anyway, here we go. So once that's out, this whole thing just slides right off. But these parts have changed, so we're going to remove these as well and replace them with new ones. The new ones look like this, and they're not the same height, so it would overlap the cap, so I've got to bring this down. To remove this upper one, it's only one screw, and I've loosened this a number of times so it's easy to get out. These are self-drilling screws. They have a drill bit basically on the end of the screw, allows them to be drilled into this aluminum support bar. So we're going to toss this and replace it with a new one that's here so it'll fit properly. And we're going to use this punch to identify the location for the holes, and I'm going to pre-drill these to make screw placement easier. This is the bag of hardware that comes with these, so I'm going to measure these screws, the diameter, and drill a pilot hole for these to allow these screws to be placed more easily. I have a drill index, so I'm going to be able to figure out what size works best for this. So 5/32 looks like it's going to be the best. So we've got the holes already tapped with the marker. We're going to drill one. I just want to see how these screws fit into these holes. See if this is a good size. Oh, it's very good. So the threads are grabbing, creating threads, and yet making the passage of the screw easy. So that's the ideal drill bit diameter that we want to use. So I'm taking out the screws for the lower latch because it's changed as well. Here's the difference. The new latch is slotted, so this is the old one, so we had to replace these. And guess what? Do the holes line up? Of course not. So we're going to make new holes for this screw, for these screws here. Okay, I drilled and placed the first hole. Now we're going to center punch for the next two. And then I've actually got this one lines up with one of the holes I already had. That's fortuitous. And we'll drill this one. Good old Craftsman bits, drilling aluminum, no problem. So we'll put our new screw in here. There it is. And then we'll put our new gate latch on also. So here's the old gate latch and the new one. And to adjust the distance, we adjust it with this screw here. And that'll move the whole magnetic piece in and out. So we're going to take these screws out and replace this. I hope this lines up better. We'll see. These do line up. That's amazing. So I got the gate latch swung all the way out. It exposed the other two holes for the screws. We'll put those in. And look, it latched pretty nicely. So that's good. There it opens, there it closes. Nice. So this is the position we want. And now we're going to screw our little screw in here on the side. Now these are on the side, so it'll lock it. Okay, now we're at this position. I've got this adjusted. I'm going to bring this down. Okay. And we're going to bring it to a point that we like it. About a 3 millimeter distance. And then I'm going to find the hole in the side and put this screw in it, the silver one, different than the other ones. And this is going to lock it in place. All right, there it goes. All right, let's see it in action. Look at that. Okay, one final point here. There's a nice little cap that fits in this. That makes it look nice and tidy. So that was the installation of the Series 3 MagnaLatch, general purpose magnetic gate latch. A link for this is in the description. These are very good. You just got to avoid hedge trimmers that whacked off my other one. If this was helpful, thumbs up, please. Consider subscribing. Thank you.